Okay, today we're going to see in Zenox how to reset the password of a student. Okay, suppose if a student comes and says, I forgot the password, I want to reset it in such a case. So first open the browser, okay. Open your Zenox software. In this case, I'm opening using my username and password. So use the username and password, what has been given to you, and enter the username, enter the password, and then click on login. So as soon as you click on, this is a screen it's going to take you to. Go to options, transactions. Under transactions, go to student information. So in this case, let's say I'm going to any one center. So I'm just selecting the center name because it's my login. We have multiple branches here. So I'm just accessing any one branch. Okay. So go to transactions. Under transactions, go to student, trainee, or the lead information. The student, the first one, student information. So as soon as you click on student information, it takes you to the screen. Search for the student name. So in this case, let's say I have Guru Prasad is the name of the person, or let's say Bhagya Jyoti. So I'll select Bhagya. So now I'm selecting the student name for which I want to reset the password. So as soon as you select the name, click on an option called as view. On the top, you have view. So after clicking on the view button, it takes you to the view screen. Here you can see student login password, edit. So click on the edit option and edit the password as you need and click on the update. So once you click on the update, the new password has been reset. Now you can give this new password to the student who can start accessing the mobile app application. So this basically for you to reset a student's password. If the student has forgotten the password, then in such case, go to transaction, student info, search for the student name, select it, go to view. Under view, the second column, you will have an option student login password. Click on edit, edit the password, and then update. And give this password to the student so that student can log in using their mobile applications. Okay. Thank you.